Hi everyone, my name is Sagi and welcome back to Divine Reflection. In this session we will continue to learn about our spiritual structure. In the last session we talked about the four categories of our wants, the desires and aspires and materialistic ones such as a big house and a nice car. We talked about emotional desires such as respect and appreciation, and social desires such as control and fame, and spiritual desires such as the desire for meaning and purpose. We also emphasized the difference between needs and wants, and we explained how negative events in our lives result from egoistic wants not being met. We also talked about the equation between pleasure and pain. We discussed why we're never satisfied and constantly generating new desires and aspirations. We explained our spiritual structure according to Kabbalah. We talked about the divine soul, the animalistic soul, and our body. We also explained the spiritual motion of the universe and compared it to the sun. We've also talked about two spiritual motions, a receiving motion and transmitting motion. Everyone, I hope you enjoy this course. This video clip is a limited edition for the free registration users. We have a variety of plans for you to gain full, unlimited access to all the content of our website, courses, and downloadable materials. So please register as a member to continue watching. If you have any comment or questions on any subject, please don't hesitate to contact me. I greatly appreciate your participation. I'm Sagi with Divine Reflection.